Welcome to UFP Edge's Visualizer tool, powered by AI. Our tool will give you the power to quickly plan your project with our siding, pattern, and trim. To get started, create a login and password. This allows you to save your designs and gives a more personalized experience with the Visualizer tool. Select from a variety of sample homes, multifamily, and commercial builds to get an idea of what your dream project could look like. Or you can create a custom design using the Design Your Home feature. Upload a photo of any build, and the Visualizer will map layers where our products can be applied. Occasionally, you may need to manually remap layers if the AI doesn't get it right the first time. Once you're happy with the layers, select a product type and color. Choose from a pre-finished color, custom color, or keep the natural wood tone. Adjust the orientation of the product by clicking on the three-dot button in the top left corner of the product swatch. For more information about the product, click the I button to learn more. To remove the product, hit the X button. To show the contrast between your design and the original look, toggle the Compare button and then drag your cursor from left to right. Save your final design by clicking the Save button, or start fresh by clicking Remove. All saved designs will appear under the My Designs tab, where you can label and revisit them anytime. The Report tab allows you to generate downloadable and printable reports with your design, perfect for sharing with clients or keeping track of your favorite products. With limitless customization options and AI-powered efficiency, UFP Edge's Visualizer gives you the power to bring your project to life. Test it out today at visualizer.ufpedge.com.